believe it's happening. Not again. No. Promises, promises, and no delivery. Bounced emails, right? Low open rates, for real. And the support team, that's it. I deserve better.
Breakups can be tough, but moving on has never been so easy with GetResponse. Not happy with your current email service provider? Here's the deal. We offer you free migration and dedicated onboarding from our 5-star customer success team.
Wow, man, that's pretty cool.
Yeah, that is pretty cool. We're talking about a real person.
Hey there, I'm Jacek, Customer Success Team Manager over here at GetResponse.
Listening to your needs, understanding your current setup, answering any questions you may have, and making sure that your transition is as seamless as possible.
Okay, but what if I don't like it?
No worries, we're offering you a 30-day money-back guarantee, so there's really no risk here. And the cherry on top? Enjoy up to 40% off our paid plans, because you deserve the best, without breaking the bank.
Oh man, thanks. Sorry, I'm having a bad time.
So why stay when you're not happy? Pack up your bags and move to GetResponse.
Yeah, you're right. I'm gonna do it now.
Join him, claim your discount, speak to our customer success team, and we'll see you there.
I won't need this anymore.